hope for this year is a good strong finish in our class. It's a tough class. We sort of sit in the bottom of the rankings of our class rather than the top. A lot of fast cars in there, but consistency and track time's our secret here. We've got good drivers, good fuel strategy, good pit strategy. So why are we using Euro Plus rotors on this vehicle? Now, one of our strategies is to be able to do the 6 hours without a brake change. And the high carbon steel in the rotors just lasts the 6 hours. A lot of other cars have to change rotors, pads, sometimes they do a caliper change as well. So we make up a lot of time not having to do that.
So the car's in the best shape it's ever been in. You know, we've spent a lot of time investing in R&D work, everything from suspension to brakes. We've obviously landed with Bendix for our brake supplier, and that's been probably the biggest improvement we've made to the car over the last few years.
We're actually quietly confident. We didn't have the best of qualifyings. We're sitting pretty much dead middle of the field overall. So not too bad, but we know we definitely could have maximised it a little bit more. One good thing we have over the rest of the field, we believe, is our car, whatever it can do in qualifying, it can maintain for the whole race.
Ian did a very good job in qualifying. The car feels really hooked up at the moment, especially over the top. It's got a lot of grip. All the drive really helps a lot. The brakes feel fantastic right now, so we're going to give it a quick service for tomorrow. We'll bleed the brakes, throw some new brakes on it, new tyres, and yeah, get ready for tomorrow and drive it 100%.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.